Hello friends. So in this video we will write a simple C program, copy input to output, or we can say that a character copy program in which we will read one character at a time from the standard input keyboard and output it on the standard input output terminal. This is a simple C program, and we will read the characters until the end of file is encountered. So let's just start. As you can see, I have already created a directory copy input to output. Right now it's empty, so just create a C. We'll just create a C file, and we will just start writing code. Include a standard input, and we will declare our main function. And by the way, I got feedback on my last video regarding the font size. There are some viewers which they they are very like it's hard for them to read the code, so I increase the font a little bit more, so maybe this time they can read it more clearly. And okay, so um, I will declare a character C. We will store all the characters in this variable, and I have declared it as an integer value. The reason behind is this, the main reason for this is in C, the characters are represented by as an ASCII codes. If I type any character, in C it will consider as an ASCII code. So let's say if you type an A, so the ASCII values for the A will be 65. So 65 is an integer value. That's why I have declared the C variable type of the int. And we will store character. We will use a get character function, which will store a character in this C variable, and we will loop through this until analysis sees end of file. And we will just put character using the put character function on the terminal, and we will get character again to check its end of file or not. And just sorry, we will just compile this code. There are no errors, and run it. And now I will start typing, and when I press enter, you will see that this line will get printed on the screen. See, and I can type anything I want and press enter, it will get printed on the screen. And for end of file on the Mac, you can use the combination of the control D. See, I press the control D and it's just end of file. And for the Windows, you can use control Z. For the Mac it's control D, and for Windows it's control Z. And we can check our code again. Okay, and we can make it a little bit more cleaner by just removing this 6th line. Okay, and we can do that. C equal to get character. Now it's much cleaner, and we will compile it one more time and check it. So yeah, it's working perfectly fine. And if I press control D, it will get terminated. So that's it for now for this video, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.